Got a bunch of friends around me. I would say not even 3 feet away. Yeah, pretty simple little setup here. Got my little stove in there, pot of water, my cup over here. Got the pot off the stove there, but there's what it looks like. I don't think you can see the flame. Takes about, well, not quite 5 minutes to boil that pot of water. And I get 2 cups out of it. Must be the afternoon time to have a little break from the weather, I guess. They're all here sitting or laying, ducks, geese, in the shade. And by my watch it is 12 o'clock noon, so I guess we've had flying time and eating time, although there are a few still eating here, but most of everybody, they're not that guy there. I would say he's deep in sleep with his head tucked under his wing. Same with those little ducks. And the other geese, they're starting to settle down just for an afternoon, I guess, sleep. Ducks are way over there, they're all tucked in. Here we are watching these 2 guys here have a little bit to eat. For all the times I come up to the park here and just sit here, have a coffee, just enjoy the day, I can never catch them flying, either landing or taking off. I've seen other groups come in here and I've caught the odd time, you know, just a flash or 2, but you can never tell when they decide they want to move on somewheres. Be trying their inner ninjas. There's another one over there on one leg. Well, this guy wants to be a woodpecker, I guess. He's going to take some bark off the tree. Maybe he's tired of eating grass. Yeah, let's try this bark. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't taste as good as grass. Yeah, let's practice standing on one leg.